man, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back with another video, man. We back with another video. In this video, y'all, I am finally gonna be hooking up my wife's auxiliary battery in her trunk. Excuse me, her extra battery that's in her trunk, man. But before we get into that, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell, man. Smash that bell, y'all, so y'all know every time I upload a video. I know I ain't been posting in the last couple of days, maybe a week or two, but like I say, whenever I go cold turkey like that, y'all already know the grind is in full effect, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I got some more shit on the way for y'all, man. Some more shit, y'all. But y'all gotta stay tuned, man. That's why I say smash that bell. Y'all know every time Bass Addict post something. But another thing before we get into the content, this year something obnoxious, the car club that I am in, y'all know about it. Y'all seen on my cars, all the decals, y'all have seen our bills, y'all have seen the meat, y'all have seen all that. Our car club is actually hosting Slamming the Gump this year in Montgomery, Alabama, man. Hard Knocks normally sponsored and host the show and all that stuff, but they passed the torch over to us, man. So this is gonna be basically our first big show that we host ourselves, man. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to the event page on Facebook, and y'all will be able to get more information on the event and, you know, all the other good stuff, man. You know, if y'all close around the Montgomery, Alabama area, man, you know what I'm saying, bring your cars out, bring your family out, you know what I'm saying. Good, clean fun every year. Every time I go, y'all, there's no BS. Security gonna be on the scene, all that stuff, man. Good, clean fun, man. Where everybody come together and enjoy the same shit, you know what I'm saying. Where everybody just come together, enjoy each other's system and enjoy each other, man. You have kids out there, you have families out there, you know, good, clean fun. Every year I went, there's never been no BS since I've been going, you know what I'm saying. So I can vouch for that, and this year ain't gonna be no different. So if y'all interested in, you know what I'm saying, attending that, like I said, the link gonna be in the description below to the event page on Facebook, and y'all be able to see what y'all can do. But without further ado, I'm gonna get up out that hot ass truck. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. This your boy Bass Addict. We back in here with another banger, man. Share these videos like y'all been doing. I appreciate all the love, all the support, all that good shit, y'all. We going up, man. We at 600 and probably like 25 subs at this point. We got like what, 475 more to go, y'all, before we hit that 1,000 mark. I'm out here, man. This your boy Bass Addict. Back here, I'm gonna have to take that wire, the ground wire, take the ground out, splice into it, put the lugs on both ends, and basically do the same for the hot wire. So, you know, it's gonna be pretty much the same process. But those are the 12. Try to get y'all a before and after right quick. Let y'all see how they moving and what they sound like before. Let y'all see what they moving and sound like before, and then we'll do it after. Drop the back seat right quick. Let me flip the camera back around right quick, y'all. But yeah, y'all see, we got to splice into the ground and the hot, hook it up to the battery, put the lugs on it, and that's gonna be pretty much it, man. It's gonna be a pretty simple job, basically. Might be a little challenging because I don't have the correct crimp tool, so I'm about to improvise and crimp the hell out on some other kind of way. But we gonna figure it out, y'all. So stay tuned.
Young 21 Savage, I'm about to go on me jiggle for lunch. Had a long talk with the young Kodak, reminded me of young Prevail. Straight out the project, no faking, just honest. I wish that he had more guidance for real. Too many the cycle of jail, spending their birthdays inside of a cell. We raised by our mamas, all we gotta hear. We hurting our sisters, the babies is real. We killing our brothers, they poison the well. Distorted self-image, we settled to fail. I'ma make sure that the real gon' prevail. I just poured something in my cup.
Okay, guys, the plan was to hook up the battery in my wife's trunk. I'm at home, dog barking. I'm at home, man, and I realized that I only have one set of lugs, man. I can't get the job completed with just one set of lugs. I'm gonna need another set of lugs, so I'm about to go by the hardware store tomorrow before I go to work, pick up another set of lugs. Yeah, like I was saying though, y'all, I don't necessarily have enough lugs right now, so what I am gonna do is give y'all a demo of what the car sound like. I ain't gonna be able to hook the other battery up at this moment, so I'm just gonna give y'all a flex and we're gonna run it like that. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is try to figure out some kind of way I can get some music playing, because I normally play the music off my phone via Bluetooth, you know what I'm saying, when I do my demos, but of course I'm recording on my phone and hell, I ain't got no other source of music, so I got to figure out a way right quick to get some other music playing. So y'all give me a second, let me figure this out, and we're gonna get some demo going. Of course, the phone ain't gonna do it no type of justice, but y'all will get the picture, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, y'all stay tuned in, y'all stay locked in. If you made it this far in the video, you got to make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell, y'all. If y'all rocking with the channel, man, you know what I'm saying? It don't cost you a dime, y'all, you know what I'm saying? We going up, man. It's your boy Basshead. Let's get to these demos, man.